me the lawnmower.
Oh, are we going to... Oh, wait. What were you under, Savannah?
We can
Savannah, what were you under?
a pine tree. As you see, some pine trees are these falling off.
What are those?
I have no idea.
I think those are pine cones, right?
Pine cones.
Hey, those are on our scavenger hunt. We couldn't find any, could we?
Yep, but I found one.
You found one? Okay, so what are we going to do, Savannah?
We are building a lawnmower.
We're going to build a lawnmower because with this new house, we needed something a little more, with this yard, we needed something a little more self-propelled. So, Savannah's already ready to open it.
Hard.
Okay, so let's see.
But we have to untape it. It's hard.
Can you get that side?
No.
Pull, no, just pull the tape. There you go. Dude, yeah.
Owie. Pine tree, why did you hit me?
Oh, are you gonna open the box now?
Yep, I'm doing this. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's up. Tear the box.
Uh-oh.
It's stuck. More tape. I can do this. It's little tape for me.
Savannah's working getting the tape off.
Yep. I can do it. I don't need help.
Nope, you got it.
Not hard, because it's little. Little is just hard.
Okay.
There we go. Here you go. Let's tear up the box. Tear up.
Okay, so what kind of lawnmower did we get? Did we get like a Craftsman lawnmower?
Yep, like this.
Okay, so that...
First of all, we have to take this.
Oh, looks like we don't have to take much apart, do we?
Then we have to look at this.
Okay. Oh.
I can do that right away.
Oh.
Let's
Can you take that bag out?
Sure. But they have instructions inside. Can I take the instructions out?
Yep, you can take the directions out.
Do we need them? I wonder what else comes with.
Oh, yeah. Let's see. What is that?
I know I do that.
Oh, 2-cycle engine oil. Oh, 4-cycle engine oil.
It comes like this.
It comes with instructions, yeah.
No, these are instructions.
Oh, that is instructions. Oh, this is a warning magazine. Owner's manual.
Here you go.
Okay.
Instructions. You didn't have to put it out. We're
Wow.
gonna wrap this, Daddy.
Yep.
Okay, I'm unwrap. Whoa, not off.
Oops. Whoop. Just wait,
I
Savannah.
want to open it.
Just wait, Savannah.
Okay, I'm ready.
I know you're kind of excited, right?
Yeah, I'm really, really excited. There's some cardboard. And there's also some. Guys, let's do this. Oh,
Oopsies. Fell off.
How do you do it? Whoa. There. Okay. Let's do this. Oh, that was a buddy. Don't worry about that buddy. Yours is a buddy. I know how a buddy was a buddy.
Okay, so
It would not be a buddy.
you want...
Hey, I got the phone.
Wait, so Daddy's gonna lift this out, right? And when you lift, you don't want to use your back, right? You want to use your legs, right?
Yep, already. We're going to hold it now.
Okay, now we gotta move the box.
Yep. I'll show you how to move the
So
box.
we're just gonna move the box.
Yep. I need to rip it.
Put the bag there.
Yep.
Okay,
Here we
Savannah.
go, Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're gonna take this off.
I know how to take that.
Okay. Here.
And then I can.
Can you take that off now?
Yep.
Okay.
Now I'll put that over here. For the mice to play with, because they love this.
The mice will love that?
Yep.
Okay, Savannah.
I can sit down with you.
I can tell you one thing right now. We're gonna have to undo this.
What's that?
Can you? I think you can do it. Here. Here, watch this.
I will watch.
Okay.
Means nobody's that.
Wait, Savannah, watch this. You gotta come over here and watch this, right? See how this turns now?
Ew.
Are you going to do this side now? Do the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't have to be mad at me, Savannah.
That's the right way.
Yep, that's the right way. You don't have to be mad at me, Savannah.
What the? What is it?
Oh, that's what we were trying to do. Okay.
Yeah, we
Well,
broke it.
Well, we're not really breaking it. We're trying to put it together.
No, we broke these stuff off.
Yep.
And there's one more.
Uh-oh.
I'll fix it out on another side.
Let's figure out which way this is supposed to go.
Maybe right like this. Mine's not working. Mine's not working.
There's nowhere. This has got to go the other way then. Okay, I think Dave finally figured this one out. You gonna come over here, Savannah?
Yep.
So what we did was we had to adjust the tires a little bit.
We had to take this off.
Yep, you can take that off. We had to adjust the tires a little bit here.
Yep. So, this is a new lawnmower. Right, Daddy?
Yep.
And
Came right out of the box. And Savannah's gonna take that off.
Yep, so it's hard right now.
Where Daddy's trying to get
Was that thing on?
this thing on
Yep.
so the handle can work.
Yep.
And this thing's not cooperating with Daddy.
Nope, not right now. Maybe it's tighter.
Is it tired?
Yeah. And my wrapper's not coming off.
Your wrapper's not coming off. Why not?
I have no idea. Maybe if I do this, I'll turn it around now.
Okay, so Dave's got this way so we can adjust tires a little bit, I bet. Okay, and then Dave's got
Instruction. Ugh. Hard. Hard a little. I got a little bit.
You got a little bit?
Can we go put it in here? But now I'm putting this up. No.
Good thing I have Savannah as a helper, otherwise I don't know if I'd get this done.
Nope. I doesn't do nothing by himself.
Nope, I can't do anything by myself.
Nope. He let somebody help him. I did it!
You did it.
Yep.
I think you did. Oh, pretty close.
Yep, I just up the brake. I didn't do it. I tried.
You get it.
Oh, it's so sticky. Maybe some tape. Or stuck to here. I can't do it. I think that we have to turn this way, I think. To work. I'm trying and not working.
You're trying, huh?
So maybe we have to do this, I think. I can't really do this.
You can do it. Let's see.
Okay, I'm doing this, you guys. That'll be the hardest part for me. First of all, I always do this. And it can't work. So I have something to show you guys.
Well, can you get this? Can you get the bag off there, please?
Sure. Guys, you know what I thought.
You got it.
But now we have to finish something.
Okay, now can you get the brown thing off there?
Yep, sure I can.
Nope, the brown thing off that brown thing right there.
Well, what's this?
Whoa, I think that's a gas cap. Whoa. You can put that in the box too, please.
Okay. We have for myself. I am going for this little hole. Okay, now I'm
Oh yeah, you gonna get that little piece of tape off there?
Yeah, but it's so sticky.
I know.
I did
Oh, you did
I
it!
did unwrap it. It's sticky.
Okay, now there's one more thing we have to do, it looks like.
Yeah, but you're trying with the sticky thing. Hey, let's do
Okay, can you pull this thing? Pull it really tough.
Oh,
Here.
I don't want this.
Yeah, you help Daddy.
What's moving?
Oh. Oh. Abby, anything.
We need to take this off.
Oh, yeah. Just wait. I wonder if there's something blocking it down here. Oh, I was thinking I was right. It's handles.
Oh no.
Okay, so now what we have to do?
We have to take this thing off. No.
We have to twist these things.
I'm not twisting those. I'm doing it on this side.
You want to twist that one?
No.
Yeah, twist that one. Savannah, can you twist this one here?
This way?
Yep. Perfect. Can you pull it out yet? You broke it!
No, it was this something. Look at guys.
You broke it!
That's okay. But it's not a real one. But we had to make it tall. So guys, can I put this in the bucket?
Nope, we need to use it still.
Can I put this top
Oh,
on?
wait. Now look. Yeah, well, yeah, you can put that cap on.
Here, you know, Daddy?
No, you hold that real fast.
Okay, I'm putting it right there. This way.
Yep. Perfect. There you go.
Dad, you know what? Tell me if your babies have a birthday today. Because my baby had a birthday.
Your baby had a birthday?
Yep.
Wait, can you look down in? And is there a hole? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Wait, nope. Just wait. Now let's see. Now, do you see that hole?
Yes.
Wait, now can you stick that in there? Okay, now let's twist it in there real tight.
Must be really good.
So it's really tight in there.
Mine's not tight yet.
Yours isn't tight yet.
And now you hear the wind a little bit. It's really windy at our place right now.
Is it really windy?
Yep. That's why we're doing this today. We can't do it tomorrow because me and Mommy has school tomorrow. I don't know, but...
I don't think you have school tomorrow because tomorrow's Saturday.
Yeah, or then I have to stay home day.
Yep, tomorrow's a stay-home day.
You can do it mine. When I what am I doing? Bunny, I'm a little bunny. Dad, you know what?
What?
You know last weekend when you were outside, I went out the mountain, I fell and hurt my chest.
Oh, no.
That was really bad. I was really trying really bad. It hurted really bad.
You really hurt really badly?
But it's feeling a little better. Tell me the time the feet I fell off a tour.
Okay, Savannah, can you start turning this again, please? Yep. Let's see.
It's tight.
Well, we gotta do it a little tighter. Oh, wait, maybe not. Oh, maybe you did turn it all the way.
I'm a little tiny.
Okay, Savannah.
What? I'm from this.
Uh-oh, now with that. You know what that means, Savannah?
What?
We have to untwist these things.
Untwist these things?
Yep, can you untwist them? Because Daddy, now it's too tall for Daddy. Daddy's pretty tall, but he's not that tall, is he?
No. Oh, I can't hit it. I can't do it.
There you go.
Okay, thanks, Dad. It tucked. Oh. It's really hard. Can you do mine, Daddy?
I think you can get it, can't you? Well, we got it off again. Now we're putting it back on.
This way?
Nope, other way.
Ouch.
Oh, nice and hard. You gotta keep twisting.
Hard.
You're doing a good job.
Really hard, Daddy.
Oh, no, you can do it.
Okay. Daddy's helping
Nope.
me. What is doing that?
No.
It's
Now, tough muscles, big muscles you have. Big
Kaden
muscles.
has big nose, but she is too, and they're eating her dinner. She
She has big muscles.
Yep, Kaden does. She has bigger muscles than me.
Caitlin does.
She's 25 muscles in her brain. As you know what?
What?
My doll will have school tomorrow.
Oh, does she? Okay, Savannah.
I'm ready to mow it
Nope, I don't think so yet. Okay, can you pull that cable now?
right here.
Yep.
And
Oh, good. Here, you help Daddy. Okay,
Well,
now we have
that's
to hook that up right here.
okay. That's hard.
That is hard.
And now what do we do?
Okay, next thing.
I'm gonna take this thing.
Yep, you can take that. Wait, Daddy wants to read what this says before we. Okay, Savannah, can you come and grab this thing here?
Yep. Where?
This thing.
Okay. Where do I put it?
Right here. Well, yeah. Make sure you bring everything. Now we got that thing back together a little bit. Okay. Can you set here? Bring it down. Come over here, Savannah. Nope, you gotta come over here.
That's better.
Yeah, now we got it together. Okay, so one of the nice things about this thing is we can wash it underneath with a hose. You can hook a hose up to it right
Yep.
there, and we can hook it up.
Yep, and to wash it off.
And then we can wash it off and clean it up. Okay, so but before we mow the yard, we have to add oil.
Oil, but kids can't touch.
Wait.
But can I touch this?
Yep.
Okay, I'm spinning. It's hard though.
Okay, so we have
Can you spin it?
we got Dave's opening the oil.
Oil, I know what the oil looks like.
The oil right here.
Yeah. Can you open it? It's really hard for me to open it because we never did this before.
There you go. Try it now. Nope. Other way.
I did it.
Now pull it up. Now pull it all the way out.
Whoa.
Whoa.
I'll hold this
Oh.
carefully. I'll hold it. I'll see what. It looks like the little colors.
What?
It looks like the orange, yellowish color, orangey colors.
Orangey color?
Yeah, like the orangey colors. But kids can't touch this.
It's oil. You can touch it.
Not this. Not the oil inside, I mean.
You don't want to touch it when it goes inside. No.
We can look at it when it's going in.
Oh, you want to put that back in?
Yep.
And then we're gonna check and see how much oil we have in there. See if we need more.
No.
I think we probably still need a little bit more. You can hold that.
Okay. Whoa, and silly.
You know.
Okay, I'll hold that with you.
Put some more in there.
A little more. How much right here mean, Daddy?
That shows how much.
That's
So you can see inside the container.
Oh. And can I put this in yet, Daddy? I want to see it. Whoa, it looks like a silvery color and the orangey colors. You know what silver and orange
No, you
make?
can try and put it there.
It works.
Well, now twist it so it goes. There you go. Now let's check and see how much oil is in there.
More? Enough?
I think that's
Okay.
enough for right now.
Yay.
Can you push it back down and turn it? There we go.
Tight, so tight.
Not so tight. Yep.
And now we can mow.
Not yet, because it won't start because there's no gas. So everyone, before we there is a pine tree. What does that pine tree keep doing to you, Savannah?
Holding me in the... Owie!
Owie!
Owie, owie, owie. That's pokey.
Oh, how about that one?
Oh, that's pokey.
Does that pokey do? I think that there's something wrong. What do you think is it? Can you pick up that gas can? The gas can is empty, isn't it? Is there stuff in there or is it empty?
Some little stuff in there.
But I think it's pretty empty, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay.
That's better.
Can you lift it up?
No.
Oh, is there a gas in it now?
Yep.
Whoa.
See if I can bring it all the way over there. I can slide it though.
Let's see if you can slide it. Oh,
That's the hard thing.
it is hard, isn't it?
Yeah, only because Daddy can lift it. Because Daddy's hard. He is the better one in the whole
No,
team.
Daddy's just stronger right now because he's bigger, right?
Yeah, and I'm smaller.
Yeah, just because you're younger.
Because I'm a 5-year-old, yeah, and I didn't lift it. Right
Yeah, yeah, but you will be able to.
Yep, soon I'm Daddy, my baby's birthday.
You want to hold this?
Yep. I will hold it when you are pouring.
And then, see, we had to get a new gas can. Oops.
Why is it not working?
It was pouring gas all over Daddy's hand.
Look at it. He's doing it all by himself. Can I help you, Daddy?
Nope. I got this right now. It'll go in there.
Yep. I hear it.
Yeah.
I'm filming.
Yeah.
I'm filming right now.
Okay.
Oh, that's all. Is it all empty?
Now we have to put.
And it's
we
empty,
have
Daddy?
to-
See, we can
Nope.
lift it now. Can you hold the terminal?
One second. Yeah, let's put this off.
Hey,
Okay.
it's you
Now let's see.
I can't still lift it.
So you still can't lift it? Still pretty heavy? Okay, so let's see.
First of all,
Now we have to check and see if there's a special way to start it.
no.
And I don't see any special way to start it. So
I know.
you want to hold this?
Sure.
Okay, so how we would start this normally is,
You want to push?
well, we're going to put in the grass a little bit more into grass, right?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
You gonna follow me?
Because we have to follow each other. Oh, watch out for that car.
Yeah, we gotta watch out for the car, right?
Let's just retract it right here. Everything rid of it.
We're gonna try and.
Yes. Oh, no, it's the easy way for me.
Oh, now let's see if it starts.
Yep, because I don't want to be hit.
Whoa! Are we ready for shout outs?
Yes! The first shout out goes to Diego. And the second shout out to Sedwell.
Oh, look at all those birds, Savannah. Wow. They're all flying all over, aren't they?
Around.
And then are we almost ready for the final shout out?
The final shout out goes to, maybe I can pick Rachel.
Rachel?
Then, yep, the final shout out to Rachel. Thanks for watching our video. Thumbs up. And
Give it a thumbs up.
if you guys want me shouted out, mention the
Comment on a video like on Instagram, right?
Yep. Instagram 66550.
55066.
Thanks for watching. Bye.